welcome to River Park in Chicago. I've spent a lot of my life fishing here, just like these guys right here, and I've spent quite an amount of time canoeing up the North Channel. But I have not spent a lot of times going up the North Branch of the Chicago River. So thanks to the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers a few years back, the 4-foot drop of waterfall is now a series of smaller, gently sloping waterfalls on the North Branch of the Chicago River. So we're going to try to build a canoe carrier for my little e-bike that I can pull up to Gompers Park and put the e-bike inside the canoe and paddle down these series of smaller waterfalls down back to River Park in this picture that you see here. Should be a fun trip, so let's go over how we're going to build this canoe carrier. This is the 2x4 device. That is just a couple 2x4s, an upside down caster, and a little bit of more 2x4s. Alright, next we're going to talk about this contraption, which is a old stroller and a bunch of 2x4s and 2x2s, and the rail is going to go between here, and we're going to ratchet down the canoe to it. There's a nice little strap. I'm just gonna go down and grab my neighbor's canoe. Alright, so now that it's buckled in, you can flip the canoe. Okay, back up. All right, here's the end of the dumb contraption. Got e-bike, 2x4s, large boat, life vest, my wheels unlocked, and the rest of the boat. Okay, let's head down to the river. All right, so child, me, canoe, we're about to make a turn. Here, child, hold this.
Okay.
You got it? You gotta focus on the canoe, okay? You can go ahead. It's gonna take me a second.
Well, that's very cool.
All right, thank you, see ya. How that turn look on camera? How are we gonna get through this turn?
I don't think you can.
Any cars? Driveway.
Driveway is across the way, but we're basically turning around.
Did it.
Alright. You know what else is gonna be kind of hard?
This? Okay, so we gotta pull ourselves forward. Then we gotta We pull ourselves this way.
Right, I'm straightening out the canoe. Alright, I'm pulling the canoe to the right a bit. And to the left a bit. Alright.
We're good?
Yep.
Right.
Clear.
Ha! Did it.
All I have to do is push and pull the canoe, so. Push. Pull. Push.
So here's one area. You find a opening and we're going in.
Found an opening.
Fuck. You gotta go slower. Let's find another opening.
Found an opening.
That's
but
not
a good opening.
That's not a good opening. I want to be able to see the river. Ah! Found an opening.
Found an opening.
Oh, this is beautiful. All right, this is perfect.
Okay, can I get off?
Yeah.
Eh.
All right, Duck.
We have reached our launch.
We've reached our launch. Now we just gotta get down this thing. All right, whatever. What? What'd you say? All right, there's the river. It's time to make it happen. Going down shouldn't be too hard. We'll see how coming up is. All right, move this to the side. Hopefully no one steals it. Hey, Duck. I'm gonna need your help. All right, this is where having the wheels is gonna help. Can you make sure no one robs me?
Of what?
Of my bike?
Yeah, do you want me to take the bike down then?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
All right, so this canoe is coming down. One step at a time. Oh God. Okay. There, Duck. You good? Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. Don't let go. Oh my God. Okay. Now, let's find a good place to launch.
Couldn't we just toss it in right there?
I don't know, can we?
Probably.
All right.
I'll use the 57. You can have the 60.
All right.
I'm gonna check it out down here.
See if you find a more suitable launch site. How the hell did Lewis and Clark do this? Actually, this is okay.
You're fine throwing it in right there.
I think I'm just gonna throw it in. All right, let's unbuckle this.
Throw it in right there. It doesn't actually look that many dead.
Okay. All right.
And we're probably gonna drift right by mini baby cat from tower.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
No.
Is that up?
Here. This is upstream of that. All right.
Maybe all the catfish and baby palace end up here. Why do none of the catfish and baby
All right, Duck.
palace ever grow up?
Oh!
What?
Can you move?
Grab that?
Yep. Pull it up. Ugh.
Now what? Just chuck it in?
Now we're gonna see if I can pull it in. This is where having another adult might be helpful.
I can help that.
All right. Hold on. I gotta tighten this camera. It's like flopping all over the place.
Wait, Dad, you have to show them the launch site.
What about it?
This is where we're launching.
They know. All right, look at this beautiful river. All those shopping carts, because, well, Chicago River. The good thing is we don't have to come up this river, pull this thing up, because we're gonna get to a canoe launch. All right, here's where the magic happens. This thing, I'm gonna lock it. All right, Duck, can you push the canoe towards me?
Towards you?
Yep.
Ow.
Grab a branch. Can you straighten it out
What do you mean?
so the wheel is closer to you? Flatten it.
What do you mean?
What part faces the bottom of the canoe?
Why are there so many eggshells right there, Dad?
Somebody was eating some eggs. All right. Here's the hard part. First of all, let's tighten up the seat. Ugh.
It has roots that are in the river. Under.
Oh God.
Really unbalanced to the canoe.
Okay.
Can I launch now?
No, not yet.
Onto the root and anchor it in.
Okay. Let me get my life vest on, then we can get to go. All right. Even though this river is like 3 inches deep, we're gonna have the life vest on just for safety.
No, it's deeper, Dad. You can see the top.
Okay, launch us. Turn us around, Duck.
This has to turn right, right?
Yep.
Oops, it's the ground. You're right. It is like 3 inches deep here.
Okay, paddle backwards on the right side for me. Paddle backwards. Paddle backwards. Watch your head. All right. Go ahead and ship us down the river, Duck. Okay, I'm gonna turn on my Strava. The first sections after we left Gompers Park was actually pretty uneventful. It was really pretty. It looked like, as you would expect, a forest preserve. And we just spent this time, Duck telling me about his friends' islands and me taking pictures of random wildlife. It was pretty uneventful until we hit the first waterfall. Are you getting hit by mosquitoes?
No, flies.
No, we don't need to go around this log.
We don't need to go around.
All right, where do you think is the best part to hit this waterfall? Paddle on the right, Duck.
I'm looking, and it actually kind of seems like I can't tell.
Here, we're gonna slow down as we go, okay? I'm gonna turn us to the left.
To the left?
Yeah. Hold on, duck. Just stop paddling. Stop paddling.
Alright.
Oh, this is... Okay, we're gonna go turn. Okay, now we're gonna turn this way.
Ooh, it's really shallow. I hope we don't get stuck.
I don't think we will. We'll see.
Right here, I think we might have clear passage. Look out, rocks on the right.
Whoa.
Are we stuck?
I think we're stuck. Hold on, duck. I got it. Oh. Okay, hold on, duck. Duck, just stay put, okay? Got this.
I just touched a bit. I don't know if it's really not.
Hold on, don't move. Here we go. We're through.
Paddle! Paddle! I bet there's a fish there.
Here's a pea waterfall,
That's a volleyball.
volleyball, and the next waterfall we're going to go by. Nice.
That's another bag of some sort.
Is there a bag over here? Why are there so many bags? It looks more like a dead body than a bag. Okay, paddle on the right.
I think it's a bag, actually.
All right, first time going under, I think this is Foster. Oh God, here it is, under Foster Bridge. Nice cave, our first cave. After the first few waterfalls, I got pretty confident, but this one coming up was a mistake. I got this, duck.
That if we crash and die, then it's all your fault?
Yeah, I think so.
I think it looks like straight.
I think I'm just gonna go straight through the middle.
I think we might be able to make it. Oh, fish!
Oh yeah,
Did you see that guy?
I did. Is that a frisbee? use your paddle, get that frisbee out. I'll save some view time by speeding this part up. But what happens is that somehow the current took the canoe sideways and we took on a little bit of water. I almost got out to push the canoe, but I didn't feel like getting out in the Chicago River for obvious reasons. The other one is that I put all my weight on the paddles and I still wasn't able to move the canoe. So this was a hard one, but eventually we got out. All right.
I think it might have been better if we just...
It's a small town.
yeah. Hey Dad, I'm pretty sure that's the shopping basket.
Hey, look, a goose.
And I'm pretty sure that's the line here.
Maybe.
And then there's another wheel. And there's another wheel.
A lot of wheels here. Hey, look, someone lives here.
And there's a down shopping cart.
Well, it's probably because the people living here probably...
Truck.
Truck.
Yeah, look. It's a tank wheel type thing.
A tread?
Yeah. I'm guessing it's actually construction vehicles.
Look at this tree. And there's a rope here. I don't know why. And then duck's got duck. Paddle. Ow. Some houses here. Look at these nice houses.
I'm paddle out.
Okay.
Oh, this is actually probably.
What? We're gonna get out right there, okay?
This is like scooter in the water?
Nah.
No?
Is that yours?
No, I got here. I just hit it like 2 minutes ago.
It's real shallow. I'm not sure you're gonna catch anything here.
Yeah, I mean, I'm here for the hot bag. The bags that are trying to get out the sun.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna come in.
Yeah, you good.
All right. Where's a good place to get out? All right, Duck. All right, I'm gonna back us in if I can. Actually, Duck, let's go forward a little bit. Let's go. Can you go paddle on the put your paddle. There you go. Let's go. There we go. Hold on. I got it. Stay there. All right, Doc. Just stay there. I'm gonna get out of the boat. All right. You know what? What's that? Nah, I think I'm good. I didn't want to get in the water. And then I had to. I had no choice.
Yeah, it'd be like that sometimes.
This water is nasty. Don't tell me that, man.
Yeah. Well, no, he's in there like, well, we go in there
like knee deep?
No, way past that.
Oh, man.
No, I got you.
Then you definitely get a rash there. I think I'm good. Don't worry about it, man. Yeah. Is this you? Your line here? No, someone else's?
No, yeah.
Sorry. All right, Doc, you can come get out.
Moon, do not cast in here. Because you'll get stuck in like 10 seconds.
All right, walk up with me.
Yeah.
I'm gonna, oh, I need my helmet.
My helmet has Chicago River on it.
So does mine.
I'm taking a shower today.
Yep. Oh, hey, can you grab your cushion?
What cushion?
Do we have my phone? That's the most important thing.
Yeah. Toothbrush. I'm gonna tell him to see if he can find the video and see if it's actually Monkey Island.
All right, I think we're good here. You ready to hop on?
Yeah.
So that was the whole journey. Was it difficult? Yes, because parts of it, when it's a waterfall, is extremely shallow, such that you almost certainly should probably get out and push your canoe through it. But we got through it. I only had to go in the Chicago River once, and it was a lot of fun. So thanks for watching.